Hello friends, today we are repairing the fuel injectors by replacing the fuel injection nozzles. These are the faulty fuel injectors. You can see the fuel dripping and they are not making the proper pressure, the proper mist. We have already removed the old fuel injection nozzles from injectors and now we are going to install the new one. Very simple to install. After replacing all the fuel injection nozzles, we are testing it and they are working very well now. As you can see in slow motion, they are making very good mist and no dripping. There you can see the mist in slow motion.